going to be guided. Yeah. Let's open it. Katie's already working on it, so let's get started.
Okay, Casey, how's your diamond painting going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? You're almost done, Katie?
Yeah.
Wow, that's turning out so beautiful, anak. Okay, go ahead. 2 more.
I show you guys the results. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I will say thank you. And then hit the notification bell and hit the like button for more videos like this. So yes, here's the results. Comment down below if you like it. It's cute though. But guys, I think that's okay for today. I'm not sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and share before we say goodbye. Comment down below who did the best. Or it's okay when you comment both of us. So I think it's good. Bye guys! Bye guys! We love them. And we love you guys too. Bye!